We are here joining Camellia. So first, no? This is our first promo, no? Reservation pa lang. This week, no? Natin ginatawag nga Spring Booster. Now for every RS, hatagan mo, kaliwaan ni siya, naatay 3,000 pesos. For the first 5 RS, no? Reservation pa lang, natay 3,000. Again, this is on top of sa Camellia Manggod, natay ginatawag ng advance commission. No? 50% of the reservation fee mabalik na sa inyong realty. On top ni siya, kaliwaan. Okay? Again, this is 3,000 upon reservation for Camellia or Drop Day Series. No? And NRFO. For lots only naman, o NRFO Alessandra, it's 1.5. And this promo is good for this week until 18. Okay, so we still have time. Today is 16. So we still have 2 days para ma-avail ang 3,000. Okay, again, this is upon reservation. Kung mag-reserve inyong client this time, matagal mo na mo kanina amount. And nakagpindot ani niya, direct na siya sa agent. No, wala may katungaan ani. Okay? So unlike sa ADCO, unlike sa commission na ito nga bidas siya man-broker, this time, direct ni sa inyo ang mahatag. Okay, nindot? Yes! Yan. Okay, next. On the 2026, this is a group ang effort no sa inyong team. So ilailahon din nato ang team nato no nga sa kasi nag-invite sa inyo kay this is a group effort for the all the 2026. Okay? For this promo, naatay a minimum of 20 million for a group niya. Again, ila-ilaha inyong kagrupo. Most of you here are bago na ba? So at least, this is a group effort na mag-minimum of 20 million inyong grupo para maka-avail of 26,000 worth of GC. Okay? So imagine, sa inyong team, ulo lang po kabuok naka-build aning 20 million minimum, no? Is 26 inyong bahinan. Okay? What if ikaw lang naka 20 million sa inyong team, imuhat naman. Diba? So again, atong ginatanaw dali is the highest RS for a team. Minimum of 20 million, maka-receive mo of 26,000 worth of GC. And across ni siya sa South Main. Right? So for those of you na daghay team na makahalin, much better kay para mas more chances of winning ani nga promo. Right? Okay. Next! So, as mentioned earlier, no, we thought last year was our generous year, no? Kaya for every RS, naatay 1.75% nga incentives sa grupo. So imagine, 5 million. Pila ang 1.75 ana? Last year niya, sa 5 million, ako nag-wonder kay nalibog man ang nag-compute. So kamo dala, first daw makahatag. Sir, ha? So for 5 million, no, per unit, no, naakay mo incentive na 75,000. Ay, nalibog. Nabalik magiging. Very good. No? Very good kayo nag-compute mo. Ang inyong incentives ang ma-receive is 87,500. Sa DAP is last year. Dako, dili. Dako na, no? And this year, we give you our newest promo nga, 4%. No? Our 4% for every unit ni siya nga RFO. Again, kung nakuha na mo sa 1.75, this time, 4% ang ato ang incentives. Okay? Again, this is per unit kung RFO na unit. Right. So, again, kadaniha, instant ang kuan for RFO. So, good thing about this is short man ang term, no? Short man ang debit term. So paspas ang commission, at the same time dako pud ang incentives. For sample na to. No, let's say for example, naka-reserve mo og worth 10M nga unit. Okay? So, ang atong incentives ana before was 3% commission ay 300,000. But this time, no? Dakuha ni siya nga PC sa inyong level, no? Let's say for example, naka-reserve mo og RFO nga unit worth 10 million. So, inyong commission ana more or less nasa 300,000. But with this promo, nga 4% incentives, naamoy additional nga 400,000 pesos. Okay? Dako dili? Dako. So a total of 700,000 inyong receivable. Again, with just one unit. Na 10M. Okay? So, ang atong kuwan po na dira, Freya, unsa man ang mga unit sa inyo dira nga 10M? Sa inyong price list. Okay, para inyong target mapubusan. Freya, Greta. No, so muna ang mga unit nga maka-earn ta aning 700,000. But kaning ato ang 700 or additional 400,000 na atay promo sharing dira. No? 50% for PE, pasabot na ng PE kanang mga agent, no? Ang 30% ana is for sales manager katong nag-invite sa inyo, most of you here. Tapos for the broker is 20%. Ang pinakadako again na portion is for sa inyo ha. So the effort should be atong paspasan sa inyo ha, no? Para ma-earn din natong additional nga 4%. Again, this is per unit for RFO na property. Okay? Klaro? Dindot? Yes. Ano gito na nga? Ako na sa likod. Basta kwarta ay na lagi ba? Nalisang man. Pamaldog-paldog yun eh. Next! You want more? Yes! Yes! So we give you more. Nabisi mo ng operator. And kung dako ng 4%, naatay 6% for spot cash na NRFO overlap only. Again, this is for spot cash na NRFO and lot only. And this is per unit pag yun. No? Kung napuno or 5 ka buong inyong spot cash kung bulan na unong 5 ka, 6% ka incentives ninyong madawat. No? So imagine, per RS ang nakahalin mo og 10M. Imuha lang na, kadaghan kay spot cash. So naakay additional na 6% worth 600,000 pesos. So isa pa lang kabulan diri no, milyonaryo na mo. Paldong-paldog yun diri sa Camellia. Okay? With this promo, naamoy additional nga 600,000 on top of your commission pagid na siya. Okay? Again, a total of 900,000 kung avail ni nato. And ang atong promo sharing pud ana kay ang PE 50% pud again. Sa may pinakadako ang portion to is inyo ha. So make sure gid nato offer na to smart ka siya. And 30% for SF and for PD is 20%. Right? Klaro? Yes. So again, for spot cash na siya. Next. Now, this time. No, kaganiha, mga spot cash man to. How about for regular RFO? Meaning, i-under na to bank financing or installment. No? For regular RFO, naka-quota based na dira. No? For group, put ni siya. Minimum of 10M sa kagrupo before na ito ning ma-avail ang regular RFO nga additional 4%. Again, December, pila ganito? 1.75 lang. This time, 4% ang atong makuha kung makasulod mo sa quota base na ito nga 10M sa isa ka grupo. Let's say, for example, tulong ka po, naka 10M mo, sa inyong grupo. So per RS, no, nana may 4%. Okay, klaro? So sample, imagine, let's say for example, naka 10M inyong grupo, no? Pila inyong ang receivable or ikaw, no? Na ang additional 4%. So let's say for example sa 10M na siya 400,000. So total imong receivable is mudagan gyud siya og 700,000 pesos. Okay, nindot? Yan. And promo sharing na to, again, quota based, hit 10M to avail. And this is per group. Ha? Dili lang na imo ha. Na 10M. Ay, dapat 10M ang ako ka before din ako avail. Sa grupo na. So, sabutan na inyong grupo nga dapat mag 10M kita. Ha? Para ma-avail ni natong additional 4%. Again, promo sharing na to is PE is 50%. Dako din kayo porsyento sa PE no, sa inyo ha. Ang SM is 30, 20% ang broker. Okay? And pag release is installment pa ni. No? So, upon second DP, naanadayon mo'y makuha sa inyo ha? 400. More or less 400 nga, 1,000 nga incentives. Second release, once malone release, nakagwapo ani niya, kung RFO again, pila to ka months ang down payment? 6 months. So, mas dali ra gyud siya makuha. Within 6 months, pa-LR man na dayon, naana po i-release na 20%, and the remaining 60%, ma-release siya once na bank amort, or third bank amort siya. Okay? Karot? Again, mas ma-appreciate din siya kung natay client, no? O, mabalikan na niya nato. Right? Pero karot? Yan. Next. And, for regular nga NRFO or lump only, no? Naan gyapon tay quota base. Kadaniya regular RFO this time kung NRFO or lump only, naan gyapon tay minimum of 10M to avail this. So for additional nga 2%. Last December pila gito? 1.75, this time is 2% na siya. Di ba? Wow na wow. And let's say for example naka 10M, receivable ninyo is 200,000 and ang percentage na niya sharing, no? 50% sa PE sa inyo ha, 30% sa SM and PD is 20%. Okay? And for the manner of release, we'll just inform you once na finalize na ni siya ang portion. Right? So we're good? Maghali na? Yes! Yes! And I think that's it. So, more details will be announced no, regarding sa itong promo. So, hopefully, again, appreciate din nato. Sayang atong mga promo kung wala tayo client. So, let's push for more. Halin para daghan taog. Kwarta. So, thank you so much. And for other announcements, I'll give the floor back to our host, Ms. Mona.
Thank you. Hello. Thank you, Sir Mel. No? So, ayan no, so kaganina, that is our biggest na incentive, no? 6% for the, again no, katong unang nga portion nga discuss ni Sir Mel, 4% and the 6%, it's applicable to the spot cash payment. So, as mentioned po kanina ni Ms. Light, if cold cash na siya, automatic, we're gonna release the commission. And kato pong mga again, kato mga spot cash, that is per sale. But if let's see, client opt to choose the financing, katong bank financing siya, mga na to 2% and the other 4%. So, nagya po to siya yung milestone. Kung kano saan na po siya i-release ang katong certain amount. And ayan, so how to qualify a buyer? So, next question. Okay, we must know the income of our client, no? Pautanong dyan na to siya if pasado ba siya sa bank or not. Second is age, because age requirement ni bank, it's only 65 years old. So meaning, kung beyond that 65 years old, dili na jud, or 65 years old si client, dili na siya maka-utang. Okay? Dapat below siya. And next is employment ni client. Employment meaning dapat naa siya yung mga documented iyahang income. Let's say for documented na yung mga ITR, makaparequest ta og COEC or the Certificate of Employment and Compensation, kana siya, or nabay contract, kana siya ang pangayoon. O, next is status. Status, let's say marital status, pwede na siya. Let's say, kung separated kasi, diha ka ma-shaky ni client. Kaya again, conjugal property ato ang ginabaligya. So, kailangan na ay both signature ni spouses. So, let's take a look, for example lang no, sa income requirement. Kung saan na ito pag kuwan na makapasa ba si client sa bangko kung i-apply. So, required income ni client, para makaingot kay client, pila ang required income, na naman tayo copy sa ato ang kwano, sa ato ang price list. Monthly amortization, i-divide na to na siya og 30%. 30%, that is the net disposable income ni client. Wala ang gina-check ni bangko. So for monthly amortization, kana na ay 20 years, 15 years, 10 years, mo na yung monthly amortization. So let's say for example, ang monthly amortization ni client, or mo gi-offer na balay, let's say Caraba, 30,000 daw ang monthly amortization for 20 years. So i-divide na to na siya og 30% kay mo man na ang net disposable income. Dapat ang income ni client is 100,000. So 100,000 combined, it could be sa imohang partner, basta combine na siya if married, but if single, dapat ang 100,000 siya, na siya documented na 100,000 niya. And at the same time, kung dili man makakuha, it's co-borrower. 100,000 is the minimum, okay? Dapat 100,000 and up. So this is applicable for the OFW and locally employed. For self-employed naman, mas dako siya og NDI, the net disposable income. That is, mas gabay NDI, that is 25%. So meaning, mas dako siya og requirement. Let's say, bro, mag-add ka og 40,000 from the, or to multiply it, times 3 or times 4 ninyo. I mean, times 4 ang inyong monthly amortization nga nasa inyong sheet. That's how you get the formula of required income ni client. Ayan. So, hassle-free reservation, again, since some of us here are new or some of us here are, let's say, live outside from Tagum City, again, your marketing officer, me and Ms. Lyra can assist your client kung in reservation process. Like, kami na mag-close, all you need to do is bring the client. And bank naman, kami na po mag-apply sa bangko. So, and the requirements, kami po mangulit kay client regarding sa kulang na niya nga requirements, but we also need your help on that, nga i-follow up si client. So, requirements na sa reservation is of course, na-citer na to si client. At least aware si client kung asa ang kamay na Tagum Trails, asa iyahang area. But let's say si client OFW, we conduct Zoom. So, pwede nga mag-online presentation ni, just let us know kung when, what time, para ma-schedule na to. Let's say tonight, ma'am, 12 midnight, radyon available si client, 10 p.m. Pwede ba ka na mo ma-invite for project presentation? Yes. That's, nga namin ka-supportive when it comes to reservation. Next is marketing and admin briefing. Kami na po ang mag-conduct, interview na po si client and all the do's and don'ts in subdivision. 2, valid ID for us to know, correct ba ang mga spelling sa mga pangalan nila. Kung principal, buyer, spouse, AIF is attorney-in-fact or SPA, and then co-borrower kung naaman. TIN number. So, appeal po na sa requirements ang TIN number during the reservation process. Gabayan ng tagnihuras. So, kami pa man magbayad na. So, needed na muna siya. Next is the reservation fee. Kaya again, diha na ito kwaon ang advance commission. Aside from that, so requirements lang, this is just a sample, pero dili na siya necessarily nga pag-reserve ni client, ipasa na niya ni tanan. Pwede na niya to follow. Katulong kaganina to, ID, the reservation fee, and the team, all of the requirements during the reservation process. Muna ni siya ang to follow. Standard documents lang i-provide ni client, kasi kung mag-spot ka siya, deferred, muna siya, ma-provide na niya ni in 30 days actually. And then the rest are to follow. Let's say for locally employed, self-employed, overseas Filipino workers. Yan, so ano siya ang mga to follow na lang ni client. And aside from that, so kini siya mo ang no, since again we are new in Camellia, we actively post on our Facebook pages, Camellia Tagum and Camellia Tagum Trees. Pwede na mong mag-grab diha o posting, save the pictures, copy the captions, alis nila ang mga number. Kaya again, that is, ano lang, wala din number ang mga picture-picture na post. Pwede na rin yun na repost, yun. So, Camellia Tagum official page and Camellia Tagum Trails official page. And at the same time, we have also active pages in Piera, our lot-only packages, Piera at Camellia Tagum Trails. And again, join our FB group, no? So, the benefit of our FB group, diyan na to makita kung unsa yung mga hottest offering in Camellia Tagum Trails. Join Team Camellia Tagum, just answer a few questions like, asa mo na realty bilong, kato. And yun, so, kini siya ato ang mga kuwan. And again, no, so a quick recap lang, your marketing directory. Again, Sir Mel Gumapa, kanina nag-introduce ng ating promos. And of course, si Ms. Lyra Mahinay, our housing marketing. And of course, yours truly, Mona Tiempo, that is also our name and Facebook or Messenger, no? Again, I'm handling the lot-only packages in Camellia. CS office, this is just quite a distance lang, mga 2 minutes away from here. Ayan, nalang diha sa subdivision na mo ang office at sa Global Hospital. And these are our mobile numbers. Di lang kayo siya paklaro, no? But, ayun, but we gonna send it to you naman sa mga GCs, sa mga realty here. And I think that's it for our Camellia Tagum project. So, yun. So, if you have some questions, no? Nabay mga questions, violent reaction, wala, excited to sell the Camellia Tagum Trails. So, anyhow, no, we preferred lang mga gamay na, basta ba na? Ayan, marang kamingo. Wait lang. Program namin i-prepare lang na raffle that is based on the attendance. Wow, di ba? Nag-attend ng mo project preview, ano na yung pa-raffle. Anyway, so, this is based kung sa yung number sa attendance.